welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and today is my 1-year anniversary of making videos on YouTube and posting them. And I'm so excited that this day has come. It's just fantastic. We are celebrating with a large giveaway. There will be a live tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time with some smaller giveaways, but there is one amazing big giveaway, and let me show you what's in it. This is just the hefty parts. We have Morphe by Jeffree Star liquid lips set here, 5 colors, and ooh, the box that's holding everything is moving. And it's the Iconic Nudes, unopened. We also have the Morphe by Jeffree Star palette, and this is a great palette. I actually really like it a lot. So this will be in there. And then last but not least, there will be some other things besides it, but these are the meat and potatoes. And this beautiful, iconic Jeffree Star chrome gold mirror. Hello, hi, how are you? I know he's in some controversy, but his stuff is great quality. Even if he's a jerk or whatever he is right now, I'm not paying any attention to it. These things are great quality and good items to win. So a mirror, a palette, 5 nude lips, and then some other things will be in here, but this is the mega prize. It is the big prize, and you have a week to win, and you need to be subscribed, you need to like, and you need to comment, and you need to comment what? Your favorite Jeffree Star palette. So tell me what your favorite Jeffree Star palette is in the comments, and the words enter me, and I will use a random comment picker to choose the winner. So you'll have a week from today. So today is the 1st, so the 8th we will be giving it away early in the morning. The drawing will happen. You must be a U.S. citizen. I'm sorry, you must have a U.S. address. You must be 18 years or older. You must know that YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. I purchased everything for this myself, or it was given to me. It's all things that I own that I am giving away. Anything that is damaged in shipping is not my responsibility. I will do my best to pack it very, very well. I have lots of things like this to put around the prize to keep it from breaking. We don't want it to be broken. So anyway, that is the deal, and more details will be linked down below. So 7 o'clock Eastern Time tonight will be the live with other giveaways, but this giveaway here will be going on for a week, and the winner must respond to the announcement by contacting me through Instagram or email. It's nice if you put your information there, but it's your responsibility to contact me, not for me to contact you, because I am the giver and you're the receiver, and the least you can do is email or Instagram me, and the information is down below. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Good luck, and thank you for all your support for this last year of YouTube, and may there be many more celebrations in the future. Have a great day or the day of your choice. We'll see you soon.